ran a red light while having 2 beers. Comment below. Let us know what you think about the subject matter at hand. So let's see here. Mr. Julio Gomez asks, my son after work went to a bar. He had 4 beers, and on the way home, he ran a light. He was stopped. He just got his license to drive. What could be done in this case? Well, you say he just got his license to drive. How old is he? Is he over the age of 21 or under? Makes a difference, because if he gets a DUI, if he has any kind of alcohol in his system at all, it doesn't have to be a .08 or more. If he has any amount of alcohol in his system and he's under the age of 21, well then they're going to suspend his license for a year without the ability to obtain a restricted license, bearing a rare possibility that he's able to convince the DMV that he has a critical need to drive. But generally speaking, anybody who lives in a city doesn't really have a critical need to drive, because they say that, okay, well, he could use public transportation or buses. They don't really care how long it takes. Usually they'll only do that for rural areas. So that's for somebody who's under the age of 21. Now, if he is over the age of 21, he could still get a restricted license to be able to drive from home to work or other necessities. Within the first 10 days, and this is regardless of whether or not he's under the age of 21 or not, within the first 10 days, he must request a DMV hearing, an APS hearing, to see whether or not the suspension of his license is justified. At the DMV hearing, 3 issues have to be established. Number 1, whether or not the police officer had the right to pull your son over or to investigate what was going on, regardless of which one is applicable. Number 2, they have to show that the police officer identified your son adequately. And finally, number 3, they have to show that he was driving with a blood alcohol level of 0.08 or more if he was over the age of 21, but if he was under the age of 21 with any amount of alcohol in his system. If they are able to show those 3 things, they can suspend his license. If they can't show those 3 things, they cannot. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing a hit and run. Have a good day.